My car won't stop. I really need a hand getting it running again. Okay. Nagpapatulong. Kuya naman! Ano ba nangyari sa'yo, ha? Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay. Isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Chief at Midnight. So, sa horror game na to, isa tayong nagbabantay na parang isang convenience store and hilingan natin kung bebentahan ba natin is tao or anomaly. So, ayun lang, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's play Chief at Midnight. Okay, remember wandering into the animal shelter that day just to have a look. Okay, anong gusto nyong pet? Duck? Cat? Arf arf? Arf arf. Anong arf arf? Eto, maliit na arf arf lang. Okay. But this one kept trying to play with me. Eventually, I gave in. Wow. Cutie patoti. It was called... anong pangalan? Peanut. Give a dog a name. Peanut or Don? Si Peanut to. Pumipiyok pa ako. Pero okay. It was called Peanut or Next. Then it was good for a while. There were quiet nights on the couch, soft, sleepy breathing beside you. Just you and Peanut. A terrifying noise of people calling a doppelganger. Oh. If only the good times could have lasted longer. Oh no! Ongoing treatment is possible, but it won't be cheap. What the heck? Broken agad ako? The only place hiring was dangerous. But you don't need to stay here for long. Just until Peanut is feeling better. Oh, magtatrabaho ako para kay Peanut! Okay, I see. Taray, America. Okay. Dito na tayo. The store. Head inside. Tinin. Asan na yung barrel? Di ba may barrel dito? Read the instruction on the notice board. Okay. Employ to do. Use trash bags to throw out the limbs in the storage room, mop the blood, restock the incomplete shelf with the boxes. Okay. Okay, this one. Ano to? Magre-restock ako? Restock. Ano? Oh my god, ang satisfying. This one. This one. Oh my god, ang satisfying mag-ayos dito. This, this, tap na lang. Tap. Ang satisfying, chat. Sana hindi masyado nakakatakot to. This one. Okay. Restock na yung shelf. Diyan na yan. Tapos, map the blood. Ba't ba may blood dito, ha? Saan ako kukuha ng trash bag? Ito. Ah, trash bag pala yun! Akala ko basura na agad. Okay, tas saka ko itatapon, right? Huwag nyo ginaganyan, ha? Okay, tas nagtapon ka ng basura, nakakuha ka ng 50 pesos? Wow. Okay, asan yung map? Ano to? Para kita ng lahat. Lay pogi. Feeling. Boom. Boom. Corn beef. Saka bakit may ganto? Hindi ba nakakatakot to? Read instruction in the checkout corner. Scan their ID to open the real person profile on the computer. Question them about these details. The computer database always hold the verified info. Trust it. Okay, if you spot any inconsistency, locate the gun underneath. May kalbo! Wow, ah! Binigyan ako ng tutorial. Ano na muna? Ay, ito pala ID niya. Clyde Dawson. Anomaly. May occupation sheriff in the best town in the west. Sheriff pala siya eh. Often in uniform, visible in ID always wear glasses. Parang nakangiti siya, no? Ningintahan ako ni kuya. Tapos, pwede ko siya tanongin, like, clothes? Just watch him last night. Good luck finding out of uniform. So, paano pagka, ano siya? Safe. Paano kita bebentahan? Accept transaction. Oh. Can unlock? Uh-oh. Naglalabas agad ng barel, ha? Ayusin natin yung TikTok na. Hey there, long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things, head home. Daming sinasabi. Okay, ikaw ate. Si Bonnie. Bonnie Macri. Ate, ba't ka kalbo, ha? Hindi mo ba alam na natatakot na ako sa mga kalbo? Nurse Bald. Okay. Bald talaga si ate. Pasensya na. Ate, Bald. Always wear glasses ka daw, ate, ah. Often wear glasses. Ba't wala kang glasses ngayon? Head. Yeah, I keep it shade. Easier that way. No time to fuss with my hair when you're running out of a hospital. Sa bagay. Nabaliw na to. Ganito mangyayari sa inyo, chat, pagka nag-nursing kayo. Makakalbo kayo, bro. Okay, I think fine naman siya. Okay. Ano kaya mangyayari na pagka nagbenta ako sa Momo? Hello, Janela. Oh, ba't may delivery ako? Delivery arrive. Open the loading. Ba't may in-order ba ako? Hello po. Ano ma... Uy, mababangga pa ako. Medyo masakit yung ginawa ng driver na yun, ha? Bakit tinagis lang sa mukha ko yun? Answer phone. Hey man, I'm just down the road from the store. My car won't stop. I really need a hand getting it running again. Okay, nagpapatulong. Kuya naman, ano ba nangyari sa'yo, ha? Ay, baril ko, pre! What the heck, bro? What? Huh? Ay, kuya, hello po. Welcome po. Wala pong baril sa store na to, ha? Hey man, just grab some stuff real quick. No big deal. Talaga ba? Baka ikaw yung umabol sa akin, ha? Anong pangalan na ito? Alak ka. Bakit ganito ID mo? Sinulat lang. Sinulat lang yung ID, oh. Nathan Calloway. I'm only one Nathan Calloway. Nathan Calloway. I'll be there to save. Okay, yeah. The ID fake. But come on, man. I forgot it at home. Wait lang. Patay ka na. Boom! Valorant! Oh my god. Ba't sumabog? Wait lang. Linas muna. Hala, ate. Ano po yan, ha? Ketchup po yan, ha? Wag po kayong magtaka. Bakit po may ganyan? Ketchup po. Ketchup po yan. Ketchup. Oh my god. Ay, alam ko pong cute ako. Julieta, wag mo naman ako ginugulat ng ganon. Naglilinis ako eh. Hindi, umarap kasi bigla eh. Oy, ate. Wait lang, asan ID mo? Julieta Granger. Okay, alive. Plumber often dirty from work. Hair often have a ponytail. Okay, naka-ponytail. Dirty daw siya, so gagawin natin sa kanya. Lalampusuin lang natin siya saglit, ha? Ma'am, dirty ka daw, ma'am, eh. Yan. Wait, ano suot niya? Wait, ba't iba yung ano niya, yung damit niya? That's an old photo. I've changed so much since then. Sige, clothes. May airline. Like us to look our best. But between us, I can't wait to get out of my school. Ano ba trabaho niya? Plumber, tas airline? So, ibig sabihin, mali yung trabaho niya. Ano to? Plumber? Boom! Hoy! Umaalis! Hoy, hello kuya! Wala po akong binaril dito. What? Wala siyang pakialam? Okay. Sige kuya. Kevin Larson. Alive. Insurance sale. Often formal wear. Tall. Okay. Little tired, that's all. Long day in office. Oh, umalis ka na. Okay na yan. Bye-bye! Boom! Matatakot ko ya. May panot. Baka ito, gulatin din ako ng usap ah. Yan, ganyan kasi mag-usap. Hindi yun nang gugulat. Tumaharap bigla eh. Good evening, I have the exact change. Which should I optimize this transaction? Okay. Ang laki nung tenga niya, para siyang unggoy. Bartolomeo. Paano? What? Bartolomeo. Familiar yung pangalan niya. Electronic store assistant. Okay. Forward head posture. Sige. Okay, bye-bye. Alis. Your ship is done. Clip up any messes and head to bus. Paano pag walang ano? Wala naman ako lilinisin eh. So, I go ahead to bus. Ito. Ayun na yun. Personal funds. Night 1 of 13. $97. Paldo na ako. Paldo. 2 days remain until Pinox next medicine bill. Para saan to flashlight? Parang wala namang kwenta yung flashlight. Kasi maliwanag naman yung game. Yan o, dalawa-dalawa pa yung flashlight. Ay, oh, what the heck? Ba't mo nga ganun yun? Hello, kuya? Okay ka lang ba? If you want! Ba't niya ako minumura? What? Roger Conroy. Alive. Retard. Mustache. Generally dirty attire. Ano ba to? Lasing lang? Pero okay naman siya eh, no? Sad siya. Bakit sa shot? Sige na, umalis ka na doon, kuya ka. Mia Cannon. Ooh. Alive. Comic book store owner. Large tattoo on the neck to the left arm. Okay, left arm. Tama naman. Wala naman something bad sa kanya, right? Okay, sige na. Saka, bakit yung store ko pa isa-isa lang yung tao? Hindi ba dapat pagkaganto madami? Hello, ate. Hi, sorry if I'm a bit out of it. Cut off a late ship rebuilding the carburetor. Ito ba yan? Elena Park. Computer engineer. Heavy facial. Okay, I think pwede na yan. Okay, go. Okay, store generator. Okay, eto. Kaya pala may flashlight. Go outside to the back and reset it. Ayaw kaya ice cream yummy. Ayoko na. Ay! Boss! Oh my God, Red! Ay, bro. Kamukha niya yung nasa ano, Backrooms movie. Kuya! Ano? Hello? Teka lang, ma'am, ah. May nakita kasi ako doon tambay, eh. Oo na, ang dami mo sinasabi. Teka lang, ma'am, ah. Oy, boss. Is it a bad idea na binaril ko siya? Oh my God, ang bilis nun, ah. Si Grace Harper. Hospital ward clerk often has dark circles around the eyes. Short hair. Dark circle around the eyes. Nako po, ba't parang walang dark circle? Bentahan na natin to. Bahala na. Hello dear, just picking up a few things for myself tonight. Judith Calhoun. English teacher, always spend exactly $13. Lonely widow. Okay, $13. Oh yes, I've been crying. Today marks a year since Harold passed. I still miss him every day. Oh, kawawa nga naman. Sige, umalis ka na. What the heck? What the heck, bro? Pabili nga po. Hello, I'm Norbert. Is that all for the day? Opo. Just this item, please. Of course, I will scan this item right away for you, my friend. Boy, thank you. For a handsome customer like you, no problem at all. Ba't nag-ano to? Ka-acting. Sige, ikaw muna dyan, ha? Di ako aware na may... Oh! Nabad trip lang ako sa kanya. Tumatawa-tawa kasi siya, eh. Ah! Kuya Police! Ano ba? Make it quick, bud. I have got an ET business to deal with. Talaga ba? I think wala naman siyang problem, right? Ryan Holt. Okay, sige, alis ka na. Shoo. Kailangan ko ng pumaldo, ha? Ay, wait. Para saan ba to? Uh-oh. You let 2 doppelgangers complete... What? The entity has been alerted. It will arrive in 60 seconds. What? Barricade doors? What, bro? Hello? What the heck? Ba't may emergency dito? Pistol lang? Gusto ko na ito. Uh-oh. Hindi, magre-restock na lang ako. Teka lang, ha, restock lang ako. Hindi naman ako natatakot yan, eh. Di, joke lang. Kumuha na ako ng baril. Oh my God, ang laki! Boom! Oh, no! Entity patient! Oh my God! Anong mic volume? Ano ka naririnig? What the heck? Ano yun? Ba't may lumabas sa longganisa sa likod ko? Ano yan? Longganisa maker pala yung pinasok ko. Hindi pala ano. Hindi pala vent. What the heck? Hindi ko alam na nade-detect yung mic ko. Day 3. Pinapasok pala ako ng mga ano doon. Gusto ko yung malaking baril. Yung... Ayun lang muna yung video natin for tonight. Subscribe ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Like mo na din kung gusto mo ng part 2. Comment nyo kung gusto nyo ng part 2. And sana makita ko pa kayo sa mga next videos ko. Yun lang. Bye-bye!